welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick little test project with completely Dollar Tree products, pretty much. Cutting mats from the Dollar Tree, $1 a piece. Beer mug, $1. Also picked up this little craft cutter, roller cutter. I'm going to be using Crafter Square glass etching cream. And the vinyl is the only thing that I didn't get from the Dollar Tree. That's some I already had. I'm using permanent vinyl instead of stencil vinyl, just because I feel like the edges will be a little more crisp for the etching cream. Doing this with the Cricut Explorer Air 2. Uploaded the design, cut it, and reverse weeded it. Instead of weeding and leaving what you want to see in vinyl, you weed out what you want to see and leave the outline in vinyl. So when you etch, you're etching the design into glass. So everything that's white is what you'll see on the side of the glass here. And we're going to try this out. The Armor Etch etching cream is like $10 for a thing. This is 0.7 ounces for $1. Probably doesn't work as fast, but I've seen some other videos where people had good results with it, so we're going to try it out. Clean the glass with alcohol swab just to make sure that the finish is good and don't have any residue or chemicals on it. And we're going to get started. Alright, the first step, putting our transfer tape onto our vinyl. I'm going to try out the cutter here on the cutting mat. See how this goes. Pretty crooked cut. Works pretty good. User error there, but otherwise pretty decent. It's got a nice little safety. You push that up, and that way you can't touch the blade. Alright, so got it on, transfer tape pulled off. Just gonna check it, make sure everything is laid down good. Make sure it was halfway decent, something like that. I'm just not a big fan of green. So now we're going to open up the etching cream and apply some and see how it does. Alright, so the etching cream says to shake well or stir, so I shook it like I would shake a can of paint before painting a wall or something. Take the top off, it's got a little seal on it to cut. A little crusty around the edge, but I actually bought 2 of these. I opened the first one and it's completely dried up. You can see where it had been leaking in the package. I just didn't catch it when I bought it. But we're going to try this out using a Q-tip. Alright, so we've got all the open space covered with etching cream. You can already see where it's etching, and you can feel it like when you're going over it with the Q-tip, making sure that I got the corners and things. You can tell it has a texture to the glass now. It's not smooth like it was. So we're going to let it set. It says 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to take care of a couple of things and come back and peel it off and see what we got. A little word of warning: when you wash the cream off after it's set on for 15 to 30 minutes, while it is wet, it will look like it has washed all of the etch off too. It looks pretty clear. Now where it says legend, you can see where still some water and another little light edge glass is etched. We're going to peel it off and see what happens. Alright, so washed it off, peeled the vinyl off, and dried it real good. This is what we ended up with. Not perfect, but I'd say not too bad for a first try. Might try a little bit different next time. You can see Q-tip marks and stuff down. I probably try to thin it a little bit, but overall not bad for our first try. Once again, Dollar Tree mug, Dollar Tree etching cream. So we got $2 in it, and the etching cream can be used, you know, more than once. So not even really $2 in it. Plus whatever piece of vinyl, and you can use scrap or whatever, because you're only using it as a stencil. You're gonna use it, pull it off. But there it is, little idea of what you can do with a Cricut and some spare time. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos coming soon.